Welcome to VU's enrolment platform. We've made enrolling as simple and quick as possible, with support when you need it. This training video will take you through the enrolment process, step by step. You can use the platform on your desktop, tablet or mobile phone, making it easy to navigate, no matter when and where you need it. Accessing the platform is easy. If you are a new student, just click on the Enrol Now link in your Enrolment is Open email sent to you from Student Services, where you will need your student login details. For re-enrolling students, click on the My Course page in the My VU platform and simply add the units you want to enrol in. Once you've signed in, you'll land on your personalised welcome page. Please confirm that the details are correct. If this isn't you or the details are incorrect, please contact VUHQ by clicking on the question mark on the top right corner of the screen. You will also have a home base campus, which is the main campus where you will study. This is listed in your confirmation of enrolment. Please note that this does not prevent you from taking units on other campuses. You can track where you are in the enrolment process by looking at the navigation bar. You can click on this anytime to go back to a previous step. Please read the privacy notice and student declaration, which has important information regarding privacy, enrolment and fees-related policies and procedures. This will assist you in knowing what your rights and responsibilities are as a student enrolled at VU. Once you have read and agreed to the student declaration and privacy notice, click the checkbox and then click the Start button to commence your enrolment. Your personal details in the grey box have been retrieved from your application. If any of these details are incorrect, please click on the Personal Details Amendment form and complete the PDF before continuing on with your enrolment. Please enter a preferred name that you would like us to call you if we contact you at any stage during your studies. This may be the same or different from your given name. If you know where you will be living whilst you are studying in Australia, select Yes and enter the address details. If your postal address is different from your Australian address, please uncheck the box and fill in the required fields. We also require you to provide the details of a person to contact in case of an emergency. If you need more help at any stage during the enrolment process, VU representatives are only a click away with our help menu, including phone, email, live chat, and in person at VU HQ. Once these details are correct, click Submit and Continue. The Additional Details page is where we collect information that is required by the Australian Government for reporting purposes. You'll see a series of questions which you are required to answer. Remember, if you don't know what a question means, click on the question mark for more information. If any of the information in the grey box is incorrect, please click on the Change of Citizenship or Residency Status form and complete the PDF. When answering questions, you may see the lettering come up in red. This means you have entered an incorrect number of digits or letters in the field. Once you have entered a correct set, you will be allowed to continue. When you are ready, click Submit and Continue. The Enrol in Your Units page is where you have the opportunity to search, edit and add units to study throughout the year, including summer and winter. Each unit tile has the campus location, unit code, unit name, and the number of credit points. To remove or edit a unit, hover over a tile and select the option you want. You can also view more details on a unit by selecting Unit Details on a tile, which will take you to more information regarding assessments, learning outcomes, and prerequisite units. To add a unit, either click on the blue button at the bottom of the page or click on any of the vacant tile areas. When you click on Add Units, use the search bar at the top of the page. You can search by unit code or unit name. If you don't know the full unit code or name, you can type in a portion of the unit name, which will retrieve all units with the search item in it. The more specific your search terms are, the more refined your selection will be. To add the unit, hover over the tile and click Add, and then select the year, campus and study period you would like to complete that unit in. Please note that the system will only allow you to add units that you are eligible for. The units you can choose are defined by the course delivery plan for your particular course. To view this, click on the Find Your Course Plan at the top of the main units page. A unit enrolment guide is available for students studying in VU's block mode. It identifies which units are available in which block, should you wish to change your unit order. To access, click the yellow tab at the right-hand side of the screen. A yellow tick indicates that the unit is available, whilst the grey tick indicates that there are no more places available for that study period. Don't forget, as an international student, you need to enrol in a full-time load in order to complete your study within the expected course duration. If you need to change your study load, you must apply by clicking on the PDF and complete the reduced study load form for approval. Once you have finished adding your units, click Submit Enrolment. Don't worry, once you have submitted your enrolment, you still have time to edit your units before the census date. Congratulations! You're now enrolled at VU. Please now take the opportunity to provide feedback by completing a survey which will help us improve the platform. Why don't you spend some time exploring My VU for your personalised weekly guide to events, resources, important information and handy hints? Once you arrive in Australia, don't forget to pick up your student ID card and attend your orientation session so we can confirm your arrival. Orientation is where you will meet fellow students and VU staff and receive important information to support you as you commence your studies at VU.